In this video, I show you how to fix cannot install Instagram. Try again, and if it still does not work, see common way to fix this problem or fixing this problem. Go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for Play Store. Click on Google Play Store. Click on Force Stop. Click on OK. Now click on Storage and Cache. Click on Clear Storage. Then delete. Now search Play Service. Click on Google Play Service. Click on Storage and Cache. Clear cache. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open Play Store. Now search for Instagram app. Now click on install. Now I hope that this method fix cannot install Instagram from Play Store. You can see that Instagram is installed on my phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.